Hello there. Today we will be talking all about lexeme. What is a lexeme? A lexeme is an abstract unit of morphological analysis in linguistics that roughly corresponds to a set of forms taken by a single word. For example, run, runs, run, and running are forms of the same lexeme conventionally written as run. Find, finds, found, and finding are forms of the English lexeme find. Specifications of lexeme. A lexeme is a linguistic item defined by the following specifications, which make up what is called the lexical entry for this item. First, its sound form and its spelling for languages with a written standard. Second, the grammatical category of the lexeme, noun, intransitive verb, adjective, etc. And last, its inherent grammatical properties for some languages, example, gender. A multi-word or composite lexeme is a lexeme made up of more than one orthographic word, such as a phrasal verb, example, speak up, pull through, an open compound like fire engine or couch potato, or an idiom, throw in the towel or give up the ghost. The way in which a lexeme can be used in a sentence is determined by its word class or grammatical category. Therefore, a lexeme is defined as the fundamental unit of lexicon of a language, also known as lexical unit, lexical item, or lexical word. In corpus linguistics, lexemes are commonly referred to as lemma. In morphology and lexicography, that is referring to canonical form or dictionary form that has a set of words. As an abstract vocabulary item which may be realized in different sets of grammatical variants, by convention, lexemes are represented in capital letters. Here is an example of lexeme, lie. Unlike all lexemes, lie belongs to a particular syntactic category. It has a certain meaning, and in syntactic languages, it has a corresponding inflectional paradigm, which lists its inflectional realizations. Note that there is a second lexeme, lie, which belongs to the categories of birth and involves in whatever interpretations the meaning of physical transfer from one location to another. And it has its own inflectional paradigm too. So the lexeme is an abstract head term which is associated with syntactic categories and a particular semantic interpretation, and its actual realizations are word forms. The sets of inflectional variants of a lexeme constitute the so-called paradigm. In many cases, lexemes are realized by more than just inflectional variants, but include words form associated with word formation processes. For example, the lexeme ply number 2 has such an extended set of words. Such a set can be referred to as word family.